Hey y'all, there is something serious we should probably discuss. With this changing market, I am so excited to get buyer and seller under contract and agree to a purchase price. What do you do if your property doesn't appraise? So you have got a buyer and a seller that are fully so happy and excited, one, to move on with their new dreams, and two, to own a property. Then all the way through the process, everything's going swimmingly until it gets to the appraisal standpoint. And at that time, the appraisal comes in, and if it's not to value, the loan can't go through. In the last 3 months, I've had two situations where this has occurred. And I want to share with you 3 ways to resolve these issues. One is, buyer and seller can say, okay, we know we still agree to pay the amount, but we're going to split the difference, and that each party come up with that much in cash. And the second opportunity is for buyer to say, you know what, it doesn't matter, I'm going to get that much in rental this summer, so I'm going to go ahead and pay that overage in cash. Then the third way is buyer and seller can just say, you know what, we're going to wait until fall to sell after I've gotten that rental income. So those are the 3 ways that you can resolve an appraisal that comes in not to value and still either move forward or let the deal fall apart. It's all up to the buyer and seller. Be sure to like and subscribe to get up-to-date, accurate real estate information about Alabama and Florida's Gulf Coast.